Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And for my French speaking people, bonjour, bonsoir. How are you today? I'm feeling great. So today we're going to be working on a project, and then we're going to be using the knowledge from the past videos we got, the CSS grid and the CSS flexbox. Let me show you what we're going to be working on. So this is a simple project. I'll link all the pictures and the code to this in the description. Okay, nice. So um, we have a nice nav bar with a logo and a picture that with the hover effect of the color of this. Adopt a pet today. A nice button, call to action. It changes colors. A simple. We'll be using CSS grid for this, flexbox for this, some properties for this, and then a nice footer. And we're done. It's like a nice little landing page. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Okay, hey guys. So here we're gonna be working on a fresh page, right? So here all we have is a link CSS, pets.css, and then just a little reset to the page, right? Nice. So this is just for context, just to show it works, right? So then maybe hello, say hi. Yeah, it changes. Okay, cool. Now let's get started. Right. So now the first thing, if we remembered from our finished product, we had a navigation bar or a nav bar for short. So we're gonna call it right here, nav bar. Simple, simple enough. And then in the nav bar, we had a logo, and then we're gonna call the logo, it's an image. So we're gonna have it in images, and then it's called the Pets Hub logo. Oops, the Pets Hub logo. Nice. And then the alt is just like a second name for it if there's the image can't load. So you can just say the logo for Pet Hub, the Pet Hub. Crap, this should have been the Pet Hub. Right, so now we see the logo. You see it's a big here, but we're gonna fix the size in CSS, so don't worry about it. Right, what else did we have? So we have our div with the logo, and then now we have our links. And now what were in our links? In our links, we have a UL, an LI, an A, which is for anchor, the UL stands for unordered list, and then the list, and then the anchor tag for links, right? So now we have a hashtag because it does not go anywhere. Home, simple, right? So you can see a display here. So C, home, boom. And we had only three. So we had home, about, whoops, tend to do that. And then services, right? Awesome. So we have them right there. And then we're done for the navigation bar. So in CSS, the simple thing is everything goes horizontally, like everything is built like this, and then you use CSS to style them wherever you want to put them. Simple enough. If you watched my 3-part series on CSS, you will understand everything I'm saying here. Yes, so the next thing will be a hero, or should I say like the bottom section, I guess. So hero, I call it hero. Then hero has big text, a big text, right? And the big text is called, it's an H1. Let's use an H1. Don't worry about the size. Adopt a. But remember in the original, the pet was with this color. So how we do that is by adding a span tag and then putting pet inside the span tag. Adopt a pet today, right? Nice, simple. We don't see anything yet. When we reach the CSS and then we're styling, you'll see what I mean. Right, and then what else? What else do we have? We have a hero image. So the hero has an image, right? And then in that we have the image of the cute dog we saw. So it will be images of the cute puppy. Nice. Nice. Don't worry about the size. We're going to figure it out. Like, see how big it is? We're going to figure that out. We're going to style it. So, cute puppy. Seriously, I can't type. All right. So the next thing we realized is that there was a button inside. Like, there was a button inside the image. So we put button, and then it was called adopt now, right? See, down here. Under the image, we had a few boxes, and I mentioned that we're going to be using CSS Grid for that. So now let's give it all like a parent class of info, right? And then we're going to call, we have 5 boxes in total, so we're going to call box 1. Let's just say box times 5. It's a shortcut. And then we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Simple enough, right? Of course. Okay. So now, what do we have here? So remember we had a header in there. It's called our goal. If you remember, you can go back and look at it. Our goal, right? Our goal's right here. And then under our goal, we had a lorem ipsum. Lorem. Lorem. Boom. So now this, just for now, we're going to copy this. Let's just copy this and swap it in these boxes. Boom. 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 Wait, actually forgot. The 4th box is an image, so don't worry about it. I'm gonna fix that by adding the image, the cat image. So it was images, cute, cute, kitty. It was cute kitty. Right? So we have the cute kitty here. And then, okay, right? So in here, instead of our goal, fun fact about us, fun fact. So yeah, it'll all piece together. Don't worry about it. We'll fix everything. So now we just want the skeleton of it. So right, we're done here for the hero. And now we move on to the footer. The footer is a tag, by the way. And then we have a div class of socials. And in there, we have a header of follow us. Let me just make that a capital. Follow us. And then what else? We had a paragraph, maybe called at the pet hub. Oops. The pet hub. Pet hub. Right? So it's not much, but yeah. The pet hub. Then what else we have? We had icons, right? Remember the Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So now we have icon. So for the icons, we had Facebook. Nice, we have it there. And then we also had like Instagram, I believe. Right? Instagram. Cool, we have it. Right, it appeared. And then what else did we have? We had Twitter. So icons, Twitter. Nice, it's all there. Don't worry about the sizes and all that. Don't worry, we're gonna fix that. So let me just set it up. Okay, so now we're done here. Good job, guys. Now, the next thing we see, oops, not outside the footer, inside it, we also have numbers, like how we can call them. So I'm gonna just call it numbers because it is what it is, numbers. And now in the numbers, we have in each one of reach us, oops, shouldn't have been like that, reach us on, boom, cool, reach us on P. Now the number was not a real one, so we're gonna use the country code, then 5 I guess, and then one, one, two, oop, not X. Right. So 2590. That's it. Okay, cool. Then how many times we have two? And then we have a P class. P actually. Email. So the pet hub at gmail.com. Gmail.com. All right. So we have all that here. The next thing we need is the location. Like on the right, the far right, we saw a location. So then we have an H1 of locatus at, boom, there. And then next thing will be the the a class of loc, because I can. It's kind of a location, like a sub thing. I don't know. Then we have this fake address, by the way. Don't go there. All right, nice. So we have our full HTML done, complete. C'est fini, mes amis. Haha. Awesome. So we have everything we need. Now let's jump to the CSS. Let's go.